Riverside Township is a bike-friendly community. Just recently, we've installed a new bike path. The path runs from Amico Island in Delran, goes along the Rancocas Creek, and connects all the way to the Delanco Bridge and then through Pennington Park in Delanco. It's a beautiful way to spend an evening with your friends, riding along, checking out the sunset. There's a lot of great things to see along the way. We've also put in a bridge that now connects behind Walmsley Field. A couple other things that make Riverside Township bike friendly. One, if you come down to the Riverside Police Department, you can check in with any officer and we'll register your bike for you. We'll log it in just in case it gets lost or stolen. We'll be able to track and know the bike and help get it back to you. Another thing that bicyclists are going to be happy about is that we now put in a bike pump station across from the transit lot. This station is able to be used by everybody. It's free to use. You can pump up your tires. It even has tools to fix your bike, just in case the chain pops or you have some minor malfunction. Go check it out when you're getting off the transit line or if you're just riding around town. The Riverside Police Department even has their own bicycle patrol unit. So if you see them out and about, make sure to say hello. They'll be out patrolling the neighborhoods, making sure the streets are safe, and we'll probably be out there most of the summertime or in the nicer weather. You'll see us around.